So there are currently approximately 22.6 million people in the UK searching for their Mr. or Mrs. Right. However, only 40% of these singletons will be the right gender for one another, so we're down to 8.8 million. Statistically, most people will want to find someone within a 12-year age range, which automatically removes 4/5 of the people from the equation. And according to a poll done by dating site eHarmony, only 18% of the people that we find attractive will find us attractive in return. So by multiplying these factors together, we can conclude that the odds of one person finding their soulmate is 1 in 562. To put that into some perspective, according to Odds Checker, there is more chance currently of either Lady Gaga becoming the next president of the United States or David Walliams becoming the next James Bond than one person finding the Sophie to their Edward.
Sophie and Edward, after so many months of planning, here you stand, marking the final ceremony and the weaving together of your lives into one. You stand here surrounded by this circle of stones, a symbol of the home you'll build together, one of strength, of courage, resilience, built with love and supported by your family and your friends. Learning about your relationship, you would be forgiven for thinking that it was a script from a Hollywood movie. You are both so relaxed in each other's company, a perfect fit. As Edward has said, I can't actually think of a time when it didn't feel like the real deal. From the moment we met, it was right. Perhaps this is why Sophie told me that the proposal felt like a natural progression and almost not significant, as they knew it was right. Not perhaps in those words.
Before I met you, I was very happy on my own. But... Just saying, I was a happy person. I was a happy-go-lucky person. I said, before I met you, I was happy on my own. But then you came along, and it was like a fog had lifted, and I saw the light. You're intelligent, funny, witty, silly, beautiful, kind, gorgeous. You're my best friend and the best friend I've ever had. You're my entire world and my soulmate. I'll spend the rest of my life trying to make you as happy as you make me, just by being in my life. I love you, Sophie Alison Moss, Nico in.